Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this morning's severe weather update. So, unfortunately, a tornado outbreak is expected today across Dixie Alley as the Storm Prediction Center has upgraded central Louisiana through central Mississippi and western Alabama to a 4 out of 5 moderate risk today in the red shaded region. We have an enhanced risk from East Texas through west central Alabama in the orange, a slight risk from North Texas through northwestern Georgia in the yellow, and a marginal risk in the dark green. And taking a look at our tornado threat, we now have a 15% chance of a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location today across Louisiana and Mississippi and western Alabama in the red shaded region. This includes Jackson, Mississippi, and Alexandria, Louisiana. Please make sure you're preparing for a tornado outbreak today if you live across the red shaded region. Numerous tornadoes are expected today, and a few will become EF2 or stronger, especially in this red shaded region. We have a 10% chance of a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location in the yellow shaded region, from East Texas through Alabama in the yellow, a 5% chance in the brown, 2% chance in the green. If you live in the yellow area especially, prepare for numerous tornadoes and a couple of EF2 or stronger tornadoes as well. Taking a look at our damaging wind threat, we have a 30% chance of damaging straight line winds at 58 miles per hour stronger within 25 miles of a location across East Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Southeast Arkansas, much of Alabama in the red. If you live in the hatched area, make sure you're preparing for a scattered damaging wind gusts of 75 miles per hour or stronger. Numerous damaging wind gusts expected across the red area. 15% damaging wind risk in the yellow, 5% chance in the brown. Make sure you're on guard for scattered damaging wind gusts in the yellow, isolated damaging wind gusts if you live in the brown shaded region today. And then we have a 15% hail risk across portions of Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama in the yellow. 5% chance of hail in the brown, quarter size within 25 miles of a location. Make sure you're on guard for scattered and isolated large hail, respectively, if you live in the yellow and brown shaded areas today. So, timing out the storms, storms are already initiating across Texas this morning, and by the time we go into about 9 a.m., could be seeing a large hail and damaging wind producing storms across the Arklatex into southern Mississippi, possibly some tornadic supercells as well. Going into the noon hour, this is when the main event will start, with a quasi-linear convective system moving across East Texas, northern Louisiana, with a couple of discrete supercells possible, producing some tornadoes as early as noon. Going to 1 to 3 o'clock, watch ahead of the QLCS for discrete and semi-discrete supercells, as this is where our tornado threat is going to be the greatest for any of these cells that can start rotating ahead of our main line, and also embedded tornadoes in the line as well, going into about 4 o'clock this afternoon. Louisiana, Arkansas, western Mississippi, 5, 6, 7, 8 discrete supercells could be forming ahead of the line across Mississippi and Alabama. Those are the storms to really watch out for today as we go into this evening. Going into the overnight, more of a linear storm mode across eastern Mississippi, but watch out in western Alabama as we could be seeing discrete supercells as well, producing tornadoes into the overnight. And this is going to last into tomorrow as well across Tennessee, Georgia, and the Carolinas. So make sure you're preparing for a tornado outbreak today across East Texas, Louisiana, southeastern Arkansas, Mississippi, and Alabama. Have your tornado shelter plan in place. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.